Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. For today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create this look. It's quick and easy to do, perfect for beginners, but it's still super cute if you don't have time but you want to look nice. This look right here is perfect for that, and it's so simple for work or school. It's not so dramatic. So I really hope you guys like it. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this little family and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos. And now let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to apply this Fit Me concealer from Maybelline to clean the bottom of my eyebrows. I'm using a flat brush from Anastasia, and this is just to make my eyebrows look neater. Sometimes I use this to shape my eyebrows a little bit different, but it's not necessary for eyebrows, so you can totally skip this step and go straight into the primer for your eyeshadows, which is really important for eyeshadows. And I'm going to be applying the same concealer, so I just add a little more to my eyelids, and then I'm going to blend it out with my Real Techniques sponge. If you don't have a sponge, you can also use your finger to blend it out. You just do it in tapping motions and blend it out really nice. I like to use a concealer because everything looks nice and even, just one tone, and it hides the veins, the darkness or redness that you may have on your eyelid, so it's really good. For this look, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Born Exclusive eyeshadow palette. I'm going to grab this eyeshadow right here using the e.l.f. Cosmetics crease brush. I'm going to start by applying this only on the outer corner of my eyelid. I apply it in tapping motions, and then I'm going to start slowly blending it out. And it's going to start getting bigger because I blend it out towards the outer corner, the crease, and the inner corner. Or not the inner corner, the center of the eyelid. But I just want this to be on the outer corner. So I use whatever's left on the brush to slowly blend it out and just make that one dot a little bit bigger. It does help if I stretch my eyelid by lifting up my eyebrow a little bit. That way it can just blend out a lot faster and easier. Then I'm going to clean the brush on the back of my hand because I'm also going to use it to apply this eyeshadow right here from the same eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to apply this on the inner part of my eyelid and then blend it in towards the center. So I'm not going to apply any eyeshadow directly on the center part of my eyelid, just on the outer corners, but this one's going to help blend out the brown eyeshadow a lot better right on the center. So you can also do this using translucent powder or your pressed powder, and to blend it out on the center I just like to go back and forth like this. Now I'm going to grab this pink eyeshadow using the brush from Profusion ES6, and I'm going to apply this right on the edge of the brown eyeshadow, which is above my crease. I'm going to apply most of the product on the outer part, and then with whatever's left on the brush, I'm going to slowly bring it into the center and then towards the inner corner, but not too much. I just want that part to look nice and blended, and I do want most of the pink eyeshadow to show on the outer part of my eyelid or the crease. So for this part, I just keep going back and forth until the brown eyeshadow is nice and blended. Next, I'm going to mix the brown and the black eyeshadow using the same Profusion brush, and I'm only going to apply this on the outer corner of my eyelid and then slowly start blending it out towards the outer corner, the crease, and the center, but not too much because I don't want to cover up a lot of the brown eyeshadow, so I'm just going to keep blending it out on that same area. And I just did this because I want the outer corner to be a little bit darker. I like how this part right here looks. On the inner corner it's a light shade, then it's light brown on the center, and then the outer corner is dark, and it looks nice and faded. From a dark shade on the outer corner to a very light shade on the inner corner, it looks really nice. And for the lower lash line, I'm going to do the same thing and mix the brown eyeshadow and the black eyeshadow. I'm using a smaller brush, and I'm only going to apply this on the outer corner and then lightly blend it towards the center, and then I'm going to apply the pink eyeshadow on the inner corner and blend it out towards the center. Then I'm going to apply the Anastasia and Amrezy highlighter with my Real Techniques brush. If you have hooded eyes, you don't want to apply too much. Just try to apply it only under the arch of your eyebrow and blend it out a little bit, because if you apply too much highlight on your hooded eye, it's going to stand out and it's going to make your hooded eye look a bit bigger. So if you don't want that, just apply it right under the arch of your eyebrow and then blend it out a little bit lower than that. Today's eyelashes are going to be from SHEGLAM Stay Wild, and I love these because they're so simple and the band is pretty flexible, so they're easy to apply. And I don't want anything too dramatic for this look because I'm kind of going for a very soft and simple eyeshadow for work or school, just something really cute and simple. And I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara on my top lashes just to blend, like mix my natural lashes with the fake eyelashes. And I'm also going to apply mascara on my lower lash line, and I'm using the Great Lash from Maybelline, and I'm only going to apply one layer on my lower lashes. And like I've done for my last few videos, I would love to show you guys my favorite lipsticks with this look. The first one is this one right here. Obviously a nude lipstick would go with any look, and this lipstick has been my favorite lately. It's from LA Girl, and I'll put all the products in the description box below. And the next one is this one right here, which is actually my favorite one for this look. It's a very cute brown. The lipstick's from Rimmel, and just really quick, any lipstick would go with this eyeshadow because it's mainly brown eyeshadow, so literally any color of lipstick you wear would look really good with this look, but I'm just showing you guys my favorite. Anyway, so the next one would be this pink one, which is also from Rimmel. This is if you want to stand out a bit more. You want to catch people's attention, you know, because it's a bold lipstick. This would be perfect for like a date night or a night out with your friends, you know, just something more to go out. And then the last one is this one right here, a lip gloss, also from Rimmel, but this one's just a bit darker. Also perfect for a date night, really cute for a night out, you know, but still looking very simple. But these are my top favorite lipsticks for this look, so let me know in the comments below which one you liked better, number 1, number 2, number 3, or number 4. Comment below your favorites and also what other makeup tutorials you'd want to see on my channel. If you like this look, please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and your family, and also follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook. Thank you all so much for your love and your support. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!